Let's look at some of recommended procedures of Standard 3E, preservation of confidentiality. First, you should encourage your firm to have policies and procedures on electronic communications and the storage of information about clients if such procedures are not already available. Next, you should make reasonable effort to ensure that the firm's procedures follow practices that prevent any accidental leakage of confidential information about a client. Third, you should discuss with your client the appropriate methods for providing confidential information. Lastly, avoid disclosing any information received from a client except for colleagues who are working on the same project. To further understand this standard, let's consider an example. Harry, the portfolio manager of Johansson, is being interviewed by government agents because they believe that his client is involved in illegal activities that have contributed to the growth of his portfolio and wealth. Harry refuses to reveal information, insisting that he must retain the confidentiality of all information that he has on his client and that there is no factual evidence for the agent's claims. Has Harry acted in compliance with the standard? Standard 3E does not require Harry to keep the information in the case of an investigation for alleged illegal activities. Harry did not act in compliance with Standard 3E. Find the full Standard 3E preservation of confidentiality video on www.CogniVisio.com.